Hi guys, this is Guyssss and welcome to my channel. So on this video, I'm just gonna wear some contact lenses. So this one here from EO. I'm going to open it now. Anyways, the color of this contact lenses is slate gray. Yeah, there. And this is my solution. Anyways, before doing this, we need to make sure our hands are clean. So mine, I already washed my hands before doing this. So here. Oh. Ito po siya. Ayan, there. I'm gonna pour a solution to wash it up, to clean it. And I do like this. So ito po siya. This is the color. So I'm going to wear the other side. So here it is. So here it is. That's the color of the slate gray. So anyways, I gotta go. I'm in a hurry. Bye.